Welcome back to Her Haven. The garden is truly gone. The season is over. It is time to dismantle the garden, cleaning it up, and getting it ready for next spring. Everything was beautiful during the season. However, to dismantle, to clean it up, and take everything down to get it ready, it's another story. Lots of hard work to get it done. The blue beds are already cleaned up. We just have to fill some more new dirts into some of the beds. Then it should be ready for next spring. The table grapes, the vines needs to be cleaned up as well. So trimming away the leaves and the vines to get it ready for next springs is a chore that needs to be done too. Now we are working on the eggplants beds. We are pulling them out. Some still have eggplants, but unfortunately, the weather isn't going to hold for it, so pulling everything. Hoping to clear out all the beds this week. Thanks for watching.